Fight
4,
yourself for
3, 2,
12 seconds.
1.
Innervate in 12. Convoke the spirits in 12.
2, 1.
Flourish
I
in
think the
12.
intermission is so bait.
Tranquility in 12.
You do no damage in
Two.
intermission, then
1, 3,
you'll probably actually do
Circle.
1,
right. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
This is the Mark Dash here. Mark Dash.
Daggers, daggers, daggers.
Dagger. This is the dagger.
You are good to take it. Now not.
Don't
Do not take it. Do not take it.
Do not. Do
I
not.
don't
Once
think they
these
do
circles
damage
go away.
when they do this side.
Yeah, but you know, why bother?
You're good to
Convoke
take
the
it now.
spirits in
This is up the
12.
butt dash here, up the butt,
Flourish in 12.
off the boss now.
Daggers, daggers, daggers.
Remember to
3,
bliv here, please.
2,
Big bliv.
1,
Dagger.
3,
This is the dagger.
2, 1.
Dodge balls. Big suck. Coming over, check what Ag's up to. Sorry. He's so sorry.
Big lag. Sarah's dead.
I had a big lag the other one. It was crazy, it was
I'm still
tragic.
stuck.
Okay.
We're stuck.
Best intermission yet?
There's a very solid one, yes, very cool. Here come the ghosts, drop the ghosts.
Convoke the spirits in 12.
This is the part where you pump.
Flourish in 12.
This is the pump time. Look how fast he is.
3,
If he didn't have that evoker
2,
buff. Holy
1.
shit.
3,
Triangle.
1.
Big sucky here. These are the Mark Dashes. Mark Dash is coming up right now. Mark
Daggers,
Dashes.
daggers, daggers.
Dagger's coming next. This is the dagger way. Shit, coming under, look out. Oh, a lot of people died there, that's fucked up. That fucked up. There's the butt
Innervate
dashes
in
up the
12.
butt here. Up the butt.
Convoke the spirits in 12.
Off the boss.
Daggers,
1.
daggers, daggers.
Flourish in 12. Tranquility in
Daggers.
12.
2, 1,
Watch balls here. Balls, balls,
3.
balls.
2, 1,
And wham
2,
'em.
1.
If you need to come to my side again, you can.
It's okay. Pain died, so I my set's got some real estate.
Free real estate.
Health pot if you're low on this last bit here. You haven't already.
We got a res in 15.
Here's somebody when it comes up. Dealer's choice, biggest whammer. Probably Zap.
Yeah.
It's definitely Zapmon.
Convoke the
Probably
spirits
Zapmon.
in
Play
12.
schools here.
No, do it.
Flourish in
Yeah.
12.
I have to do it after this.
It's all
Okay.
good. It's okay.
3, 2,
Blue Buddha
One.
here. Get good time doing your
Triangle.
riffs.
2, 1.
Triangle herd. Go farther up. That's okay. That's okay. This is the Mark's dashes here. Defensive if you get this. To the marks.
Daggers,
Marks.
daggers, daggers.
Okay, Blue Voodoo here, please. Dagger. Big live. Choose life over most everything here. Rift. Up the butt dash is coming. Really
Second
prio off the boss here.
Second pot is up.
Yeah, off.
Move.
Up the butt here.
Daggers,
Off the boss.
daggers, daggers.
Okay, daggers.
Convoke the spirits
Again,
in
prioritize
12.
life.
Flourish in
And
12.
dodge balls.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, live this intermission. Whatever defensives bullshit you have left, fucking lock the fuck in. Let's
Hell
fucking
yeah.
go.
Let's go.
Let's fucking go.
Let's
nice.
fucking go.
Easy.
There's session running.
Thank God. Was there a session? I think I said it,
job,
that
guys.
there's a session, so.
I
Dude, there
died to
so is a
something dumb on
session.
every kill pull.
Oh shit, I'm gonna need that thing, I think. I think I'm gonna need that thing. I'm gonna need
I wanna
that
take
thing,
all
I think. I think I'm gonna need that thing. Session.